Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, we have a little bit of light rain activity out there this morning, which will continue through the morning hours and into the early afternoon hours today before we see some drying conditions later on this afternoon into the evening hours and then continuing into the first part of Thursday. Taking a look here at our current surface analysis, you can see just a little weak disturbance moving on north of the area this morning with the associated warm front, and that will be providing us that trigger for some continued shower activity as we go throughout the morning hours today and into the early afternoon. Looking out west, you can see the Midwest seeing some snow across the Great Lakes region this morning, and all of this will be moving closer to the area as we go into the Thursday night, Friday morning time frame, where we could see some more wintry weather here at Wallops. Looking at our upper level wind data from this morning's balloon release, you can see the winds generally out of a south direction at the low levels of the atmosphere, becoming more west-southwest in direction as we get to 25,000 feet. Freezing level this morning was at 6,200 feet. I want to take a look at our radar. You can see these showers really continuing to make their way over the region this morning, moving from southwest to northeast across the eastern shore of Virginia. And we are going to continue to see those showers here for the next several hours. Looking at our infrared satellite, you can see the clouds associated with this system really streaming in from the west, and we're going to continue to see overcast conditions throughout the day today as a result. Looking at our weather cam this morning off to our south here at Wallops Island, you can see the rain on the camera lens currently with those low cloud ceilings and those rain showers in the area. We're going to continue as we see here on the high resolution HRRR model. We're going to see those showers continuing through the early afternoon. This would be at 2 o'clock local time. Shower activity beginning to make its way off the coast at that point. And as you can see, through the late afternoon hours and into the evening, showers remaining off the coast. So we should see some drying, even though we will see some low cloud potential and some cloudy conditions continuing on into the evening. After midnight tonight, winds will turn a little bit more westerly in direction, and we'll see a little bit of drying at the low levels of the atmosphere. Start seeing those clouds decrease overnight tonight as well. And as we make our way into the day on Thursday, should be some pretty comfortable conditions out there for your first half of Thursday. But as we look here on the model, off to our west, our next system begins to approach during the evening hours. So if we pause here at 7 p.m., still remaining dry here at Wallops, but we do see the precipitation begin to make its way in by around 10 o'clock local time, 9 or 10 o'clock, starting to see some of those showers, most likely in the form of some rain as we begin this event, and then changing over to a mix of rain and possibly a little bit of sleet at around 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning, and then all snow after about 2 o'clock in the morning into the early morning hours of Friday, where we'll see a potential for light accumulation occurring during that time frame. So something to keep an eye on. We'll certainly be updating our forecast over the next 24 to 48 hours to fine tune any kind of accumulations that we do see from this event. Friday morning, a lot will be decided on exactly how much moisture is left over on the cold side of this storm as it makes its way off the coast. But right now, looks like could be enough for some light accumulation, maybe around an inch as this makes its way across the area. I'm going to take a look here at our European model. You're going to see a similar setup for Thursday night and Friday morning. Again, possibly some rain on the front side of the storm, changing to snow on the back side of the storm, and potentially some light accumulations early Friday morning. So Friday morning, if you do have to go out, make sure you take some extra precautions and time everything out so that you have plenty of time on the roadways, as we could be seeing some treacherous driving conditions early Friday morning. It looks like things will clear out, but be fairly windy and blustery during the day on Friday. We're looking at some cold air moving into the area for Friday and Saturday as Arctic high pressure settles over the region. Then we'll see another storm system take shape and begin to make its way closer to the region by late Sunday. We'll see some warming conditions ahead of that front during the day on Sunday, but behind this front, we will see some very chilly conditions Rain looks to be the predominant precipitation type with this event as it moves through Sunday night into Monday, and then some very cold air filling into the region by Tuesday of next week. So looking at our next 24 hours, again, those precipitation chances really hanging in here until about 3 o'clock this afternoon. And then we'll see cloudy conditions continue on into the late afternoon and evening hours. Could see a little bit of low cloud out there during the evening tonight. And then likely seeing those cloud ceilings rise as we get after midnight tonight, as we see that west and northwest wind direction really dry out the low levels of the atmosphere. So for today, rain showers will be concluding around 3 a.m. 3 p.m. this afternoon. Then we'll see some dry conditions for tonight into first half of Thursday. And then Thursday evening, we'll start to see those rain showers before midnight, then likely seeing those snow showers after around 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning on Friday. Again, right now looks like some light accumulation possible. Friday into Saturday looks like a dry and cold setup for us. And then we see some more rain activity Sunday night to Monday morning as a front moves through the area, looking at predominantly these 70% probabilities occurring late Sunday into early Monday, but still a little bit of uncertainty there on the timing. For Tuesday, partly cloudy skies, very chilly conditions. You can see Tuesday morning, a low temperature of 20 degrees expected with highs really struggling to get to that freezing mark during the day on Tuesday. That'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.